Hi everyone. If you want to know how to make your own money bag, money attracting bag that really works, your very own, stick with this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own money bag, and it's using a lot of items that you already have in the home. So if you want to bring in that money and bring it in and on a continuous basis, keep watching this video. And at the same time, I always throw in some extra tips to help you with your manifestations. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is the Law of Attraction metaphysical channel that brings life-changing information. So if you want more videos like this, the only way you're going to get them is if you like, subscribe, and tap that bell to get notifications of my up-and-coming videos. So now join the family. Today, we're going to learn how to make your own money bag that you can attract money on a continuous basis. So now let's get started. I'm back. Now let's get started with this quick money bag. Now, the only thing I want you to have right now is a green candle. Now, these candles burn down very quickly. So within 30, 45, 50 minutes, they burn down. So I would advise one of these candles, and they only cost 50 cents. And I want it to be green. Or you can use Lailoken's Awin's Wealth Candle, and this burns down in about 3 hours. Again, if you want any of these things, you guys can go to my website and it's there. Now, the next thing I'm going to need you to have is some oils. You can have patchouli, which is essential oils, everyone. You can use patchouli, you can use orange, bergamot, ginger, myrrh. You can even use oils that has already been programmed for this. I have here prosperity oil, better business, and I also have money drawing oil. Whatever it is you have, you can use. Now, besides the candle and the oils, I am going to need you to have some cinnamon powder, okay? We're going to use cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can use cinnamon sticks, okay? But these are the things that I'm going to tell you that you should have. At the same time, I need you to have a Mojo bag. So this right here, you can have a sachet or organza, but I want it to be green. Green for money. This is going to be your money bag, you guys, and you're going to hold it, carry it with you in your wallet, in your purse. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to, if you can carve your name into the candle, or you can carve dollar signs or a specific amount. You don't have to do this. This is an extra tip. The next thing I want you to do is have some change. I do need you to have some change. What I have here is 7 coins. Remember, 7 lucky sevens. And I'm using 7 because a 7 is a very lucky number. At the same time, I made sure my change added up to 77 cents. So I have 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and I have a nickel and 2 pennies. So I have silver and copper, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to put a little bit of the oil, whatever oil you want on the candle, and roll it on the candle. I want you to roll it going down or roll it coming towards you, okay? We want this money to come in. And I want you might have to light the bottom of the candle a little bit to get it to stand still in the spot so that it doesn't tilt over. And that is it. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to place the coins around the money. Around the candle. Now, you're not just going to do this. You're just going to think about the money coming to you. You want to think of yourself receiving a check. Maybe somebody owe you money. You want to think about yourself going to the bank and looking at your balance and you having the extra money in there. Please, if you want 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, be realistic. Just don't start throwing numbers out there. As you get used to doing this, then you can take up the amount. But for right now, if you owe a bill and it's $500 and you need the money to pay that bill, I would start with the $500 and I would surround it with the coins. And again, it's already anointed. And that's all you need to do. As you light it, I need you to continue to think about what it is you're trying to do. Now, once all of this is burnt down and it's only the remnants that's left, I want you to take this and I want you to put it in a Mojo bag, okay? So now, since we're going to be using cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks, if you're using cinnamon powder or any type of powder, you might want to use one of these bags, okay? These, nothing goes through them, okay? And these are better for that. If you're using anything like cinnamon sticks or something that don't go through, you might want to use one of these bags. But I do want it to be green. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take everything that's left over and place it in the bag. Whatever's left over from the candle, you want to place in the bag. You want to place the change in the bag. You might want to also pat a little oil that's on your hands on the coins and place it in the bag. Now, to give you a tip, I want you then to take regular cinnamon. It could be organic or whatever you're using, and I want you to sprinkle it in the bag. Now, while you're doing this, I do want you to keep thinking about yourself getting the amount of money that you want. And listen, you guys, be specific and stay with it. Don't keep changing up the amount, okay? Know what it is that you want before you even start doing this. See yourself being, doing, having whatever it is that you want with this money. Now, I really need you guys to understand that this bag is your money bag and it's going to be with you. Now, I'm going to throw in some extra tips on what I want you to put in here if you have them. Now, in this money bag, besides the cinnamon and the coins and the remnants of the candle, I want you also, if you have it, you can also write on a bay leaf what it is that you want, okay? And you can also put a little oil on this and add it to your money bag. You can also add High John the root. This is something I tell you guys about all the time. High John the root. This is a powerful root that, actual natural root, that actually brings in abundance. Again, if you guys want any of these things, please go to my site. If you have nutmeg, you can place 1 nutmeg in there. And again, if you want to, you can place a crystal. Maybe you want to place a small pyrite in your money bag to help you attract whatever it is. Green Aventurine, Jade, whatever it is. But this is how you make a money bag, everyone, and you carry it with you. Again, you can do different things to help speed up your money attracting ability, but be creative. Again, you can place a little sea salt in here, anything to contribute to your money bag. But I do need you guys to set the intent before anything by lighting the candle. Putting the oil on the candle, letting it burn down with the change around it as you visualize and say affirmations about being and doing and having whatever it is that you want. Then take the remnants, put it in a strong bag, and add a couple of extra things if you want to. And listen, you guys, before doing any of these things, I do advise you guys to either sage your home, light incense, burn a white candle, anything to clear your space. You can burn sage and cinnamon, which brings in prosperity around your house. You can take a prosperity bath that is going to cleanse you of any negativity that you might be holding on to. So now listen, you guys, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you like this video and you want more videos just like this, you have to like, subscribe, and tap the bell, everyone. If you want any of these things, please look in the description, go to the store, and purchase all that you need. Again, this is Eyvette, and namaste.